Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Mr. Otanu Betal and you are watching Ascend Education and Skill channel. Right now we discuss about the topic and it's the benefits of reading books and newspapers. This is a very important topic I think, and you need to make an habit of reading habit of reading books and newspaper. And why you have to make this habit, why you have to make this habit of reading newspaper and the books, different types of books, I would explain right now. Books are very important to us. Books and newspaper, these are very important to us because in a book a number of informations are given in a book or in newspaper. So informations are very important for us. So for this reason you have to read books and newspaper. And if you read books and newspaper, your brain will develop. Okay, your brain, your thinking power will develop, your knowledge will develop, your personality will develop, your attitude will develop, your you can say your power will develop, and your mind will develop. So the development of how many things I am right now telling you: development of your mind, development of your brain, development of your personality, development of your life, everything is dependent on reading the books and newspaper. So on daily basis, why you do not try to read the newspaper or any books? These are good friends, and by regularly reading newspaper and books at least 1 hour regularly, you can find the positive effect of these things in you. And start this habit or start this practice from today, that I want to read this book, I want to read newspaper. And don't think about that what are the benefits of reading these newspaper books. I do not find any benefits of reading newspaper and books. At first read it. My suggestion is at first read 6 months newspaper and books, any kind of books that you love, that you have an interest. Because at least if you read newspaper and books, your words, the stock of words that is right now you have, the stock of word will be increased. So at least your stock of word will be increased. That means if you read any books in English or in other language like Hindi, Bengali, etc., then your stock of word will increase after reading a book. And after reading a book or newspaper, you will find varieties of things, varieties of topic, and varieties of situations, and you can emphasize the situations very well after reading newspaper and books. This is one of the best benefit that I can say, that your explanation power, your emphasizing power will increase, and other any way cannot increase your emphasizing power, your explanation power, your brain development power. Other are all just means nothing, just nothing. Book reading is the one and only way to increase this power. So book reading is a very important thing that we can see. So I'm making this video to say you that if you like to develop your personality, your stock of words, or your knowledge, and what is happening in the world right now, what is happening in science, technology, for sports, etc. That time the reading of books and newspaper has high importance right now in our life. So to grow this habit of newspaper reading and the books reading, I would suggest you to grow this type of habit. And if you find that you already have this habit of learning or reading books and newspaper, then I like to say you that you are in right track, because in future you can do a lot more thing and you can find your dream here. So, and some books are suppose you are talking about some books from subject wise list, like books of chemistry, physics. Okay, you can read these books, or you can read short stories book, any means detective type of books, or you can say newspaper, any kind of newspaper, any language newspaper that you know well. So I'm just trying to say this habit to you, and to I am just trying to share this that book reading and newspaper reading has a very positive effect on us. And I'm making this video for sharing this result, that newspaper reading and books reading are very important for the positive effect in our mind, in our life. So and especially if you want to go in the industry where generally communication is very important, that time your communication skill is developed only by reading the newspaper and by reading books. Your communication skill is very important, you know it already. So if you want to improve your communication skill, I think this improvement in reading will give you a very good position. Okay, so improve your communication skill by reading the newspaper and books. So this is the topic I wanted to create, that uh, it is important for us to read books and newspapers. So this is the topic, and I discuss about this topic for something for these topics. This has in this topic you can make very large discussions about this topic, that what are the good effects of newspaper reading and books reading. I'm not making the video too long. I'm just trying to make you the conscious about this topic, aware about this topic, that if you want to find yourself, if you want to find your life yes, if you want to find your life important, and if you want to make your career, if you want to develop yourself, develop your mental position, then this habit is very important. You can see any successful people, any celebrity, how they become the celebrity or successful people. You can find one thing is common in them: they have the reading habit. You can talk about any successful people right now, any celebrity right now, that you can remember the name. See how this person or the celebrity that you are thinking about is in the reading. You can take any example from any celebrity, any successful man, any successful businessman, whatever. You can find that they have very good learning habits in their life, and for this reason where they are right now. So we have to follow these successful people and celebrities, and if they got the success in developing this type of habits, then why we cannot? So I think this will change your mind, your brain, your life. So that's it. I'm trying to show you just about the reading and the newspaper reading, books reading. this is the end, and I do not like to say more about this topic. You already understand that what I am trying to say you. So thank you for watching this video, and if you find that this topic is a very good topic and you got some help from me after watching this video, then you can give a like to this video. And if you find that you need to subscribe this channel, then subscribe this channel and watch continue other videos.